Hi guys, today I just wanted to show you some of the 2001 Federation coins that are found in circulation. This one here is the most highest mintage one out of the lot. I'm not too certain exactly what the mintage is, but certainly a lot more than these guys. This one here is the Australian Capital Territory, the ACT. Each state has a coin represented here. This is the Western Australian. We also have the Victorian one there. Now the only other state that doesn't have one, or sorry, does have one, but it's not actually a state, is the Norfolk Island, which is this one here. And next to that we have the Northern Territory. Just below that we have the New South Wales. And that one there is the South Australian. We'll just come over this way. We've got, this is the Tasmanian version. And the Queensland. Now there's also 20-cent coins, each state with their own coin. That's a Victorian one there. And just next to it is the Norfolk Island, which is quite a nice coin as well. Just below it here we have the New South Wales version. Pretty easy to tell, but it's got the actual state on there. The Western Australian one, also with the state. And this one is my favourite one, which is the Queensland version. It's quite a beautifully made coin. Great design, I reckon. The ACT 20. The Northern Territory. The last two, that's the Tasmanian one. And the South Australian. So, yeah, all these coins here, they're great to find. Most of the coins, other than the top one, have a mintage somewhere just above 2.2 million, somewhere in that sort of range. Certainly worth looking out for, and certainly worth collecting. Most of these individually are probably worth $2 or $3 each. So certainly worth collecting, and I hope you have a lot of luck finding them. Thanks for watching.